Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Vellore location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for network sales executive and direct sales executive positions. It is from Kashkaro. For these positions, you must have up to 3 years of experience in this field, or else fresher candidates also can apply. And the salary will be 1.8 to 3.5 lakhs per annum, and it's depending on your experience and location. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one. There is a job opening for computer operator position. It is from a Boundary Retail Limited. For this position, you should have any degree, and both freshers and experienced candidates both can apply. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for gastroenterologist and endocrinologist positions, and it is from super specialty hospital, and the salary will be based in the healthcare industry. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there are various job openings are available from the Infinity Space, and if you see the job roles like Associate Recruitment and Development Manager, Agency Development Manager, Business Development Manager, and Assistant Sales Manager. These are the job positions available in the Infinity Space, and for these positions you must have graduation, and you must have 1 year plus experience in any sales, and the salary will be up to 5 lakhs per annum plus incentives will be there. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for PRO cum principal position. It is from Girls Matriculation Higher Secondary School. For this position, the candidate should know the Tamil language very well. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. It is from Wheels Eye. For this position, you should have minimum 1 year of experience in this field. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Moving to the next one, there are various job openings are available from the extra marks, and for these positions, they are going to offer a salary 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. And if you see the job roles like business development executive, senior business development executive, assistant manager, and business development manager, these are the positions available in this company. And if you see the qualifications and experience required, they are looking for assistant manager and manager role, it should be from edtech background, for 1 to 3 years of experience is required. And for remaining job roles, you should have bachelor's degree or master's degree and ready to relocate, and you should have excellent communication skills and decent negotiation and convincing skills, and you should be comfortable with long working hours and field visits. These are some qualifications and experience required for these job roles. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the given mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for data entry operator and typist positions. It is from IBPS LLP, and for this position, freshers and up to 4 years experienced candidates can apply. and should have prior experience or knowledge needed in land mortgage and title indexing. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for Rebar Detailer's position. It is from Tirunavukarasu Rebar Detailing Private Limited. For this position, you must have 1 to 5 years of experience in this field and you should be experienced in BS standards. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for the factory manager position. It is from Dhanalakshmi Chemical Industries. For this position, you should have qualifications like BSc or MSc in biochemistry with chemical industry or biodiesel industry. And if you see the key skills required for this position, like you should be good knowledge in handling factory aspects with good knowledge in chemical industry background. And you should have at least 10 to 20 years of experience in the same field. And the salary will be as per the salary standards in the industry. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There are various job openings are available from Dhanalakshmi Chemical Industries. They are looking for the below job positions like for the position of TFB boiler baby boiler operation. The candidates with minimum diploma background with mechanical or electrical will be preferred and you should have minimum 5 years of experience to handle stores and the salary will be as per industry standards. And for the position of maintenance engineer, they required diploma candidates for DCI plant Ranipet and you should have diploma in mechanical or electrical and you should have minimum 5 years of experience in maintenance department and the salary will be as per industry standards. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role mentioned here, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for account manager or senior account manager position for the life sciences. It is from Gene Technologies. For this position, you must have qualifications like MSc or MTech in biotech or biochemistry or genetics or allied life sciences and you should have 2 to 4 years of experience in this field and preferably from biopharm experience, academic experience and good hands-on experience on life sciences products like PCR, RT-PCR, flow cytometry, blotting tech, etc. And if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for sales officer or sales manager position. It is from Amit Finvest Private Limited. For this position, you should have graduation. Along with that, you should have 2 years plus experience in sourcing and generating business for loan against property or mortgage products through DSA channel and direct sourcing. And one should be able to implement strategies to enhance market penetration. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. And interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.